Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I have a very exciting one for you, and this one is going to show you how to use the guided access feature on your iPhone. Now, of course, this feature is built into almost every iPhone, especially if you have a newer version. On iOS 14 you should have the latest setup for this. And of course, guided access can be used with any app. So for example, if you have kids, you can lock them into a single app and you don't have to worry about them doing things that they're not supposed to be doing in your device, such as accessing credit card or going into the Play Store and purchasing stuff by mistake. So for example, if you lend them your phone for stuff like YouTube, you can only lock them into the YouTube app and nowhere else. All right, so we're going to get straight into the guide. Now, the first thing I want you to do, guys, is to activate the feature. Go ahead and go into your settings. And of course, you should be at the top of the menu as seen here, guys. Next, you're going to scroll down, and under the section here, you should go into accessibility. Once you're in accessibility, guys, you're going to go down again, and you're going to look for the feature here. And the feature you're going to look for is called guided access. By default, it's off. Now you're going to tap on guided access. As you can see here, it gives you a quick run through. It says guided access keeps the iPhone in a single app and allows you to control which features are available. To start guided access, click the side button in the app you want to use. So of course it needs to be turned on. So once you turn on, guys, you should see the features for guided access here to customize what's needed. And of course here, guys, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add a single modifier to the settings. So under passcode, and of course here, just in case as a backup, let's make sure that Face ID is turned on. And it says here you should double click to access Face ID in case you want to exit. And this is just in case your password or you forget your password. And you see up here it says set guided access passcode. And here you can set it just as your phone if you like. Alright, so for easy access, I just set mine to the same as my phone. And that's always a good idea to set something that you'll remember easily. And again, you have your Face ID as a backup just in case you forget the passcode. All right, so right away, guys, I'm going to exit, and of course we're going to go straight into YouTube. All right, guys, so check this out. I'm going to go into YouTube. Right here, I've searched for some royalty-free music. For your kids, you might be searching for something simpler, such as fun kids programs, games, or nursery rhymes, or whatever it might be that you allow your kids to watch. All right, so in my case here, I'm just going to go ahead and tap this non-copyrighted music. I've disabled the audio, and we're going to enable guided access. You're going to triple tap the button here. So I'm going to triple tap. All right, notice we're at the screen now for guided access, and it says start, and of course it says guided access started. And of course, guys, I'm going to show you here that I cannot exit. So for example, if I look through here, notice there's no swipe up for allowing exit at the bottom of the screen. I am only limited to YouTube. No matter what I do, if I go back, notice we're still inside of YouTube and you can't exit. I can do everything within YouTube except exit. And no matter what I try, I'm locked into the app. All right, so that you can see that if I try to swipe up, there's nothing there. If I try, I can upload and all of that, but of course I can't exit the application. You could do this with YouTube Kids as well. That would be a better option. This is the full version of YouTube, so I'm locked in. All right, it could be Instagram, it could be a kids join app, you name it. All right, now that I'm locked in, guys, I'm going to show you how to exit. In order to exit, I'm going to triple tap. All right, there you go. It asks for the password. I'm going to enter it. It's the same as the phone. All right, guys, so I've just entered the password. Notice it says resume or end. And of course, after placing in the password, I'm going to hit end. And there you go. Look at the bottom now, guys. I can actually exit. So as you can see now, you have locked into the app. It doesn't matter the app. You can choose anyone that you want. So if it's a kids app that you have installed on the phone, it will work just fine. Maybe it's a drawing or coloring app. Maybe it's a nursery rhyme app. You name it. All right. So now that we have done that, guys, next I'm going to show you the backup method. So let's go back again into YouTube. All right, again, guys, I've gone back into YouTube. Guided access is enabled. Notice I can't exit. Even if I try to swipe from the base down here, I cannot exit. So I'm now locked in. Now I'm going to show you to use Face ID. So I'm going to double tap. And there you go. All right. And of course, once I do it right, I'm going to do it again. Double tap. And it says guided access is enabled. And I'm going to is ended, And of course, you notice that the down here there is the swipe up to exit. And of course, I had to place my face in front of the camera. Forgive me, I have a camera before the phone, so it was a little tricky. But of course, notice it didn't ask for the password just now, and I was able to exit. All right, so now I've shown you how to get into the guided access, how to lock the application using guided access using the triple tap, and of course how to exit using your passcode by triple tapping the power button. And of course, just in case you run into some issues, I've also shown you how to double tap and of course use your face ID to exit. All right, now that we have done this, guys, you now know how to use the guided access. Go ahead and enjoy your favorite apps for your kids on your phone. You can keep extra apps. For example, a game, you could lock them into the game. You could lock them into just about any app on your phone that they would enjoy without worrying that they'll exit and use something on your phone that you're not allowed to use or mess up something. All right, guys, Ricardo Garden as usual. If you like the video, please go ahead and give us a thumbs up. You know the drill, guys, and love you. Ricardo Garden saying bye until next time. Bye.